one day you come back to New Caledonia by plane, you can see the lighthouse when you land. So it's very nice. We have an international airport here. It's 15 minutes drive away from the city. And we have a 2.5-hour direct ride from Auckland. We have a 3-hour flight from Sydney, 4 hours from Melbourne. So we're quite connected with other Pacific islands and continents. On top of the hill, you're going to see 2 cannons that were built by the Australian Army, the Marine Force, to protect us from any Japanese attack. So no attacks happened here, but we still kept the cannons, and they proudly sit on top of the hill. So once we get there, you're going to see grey fences. It's because it's a military area, so please be careful. Do not go too close to the fences. You've got toilets behind the parking lots, but let's be honest, rumour has it that they haven't been cleaned since the Second World War. So be careful. So once we get on top, you're going to see 3 viewpoints. One for the lagoon, one for the cannons, and another one if you want to see the city from the top.